I tried ZebPay wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I downloaded the ZebPay wallet app, I honestly didn't expect much. It's been around for years, but many people overlook it in favor of newer crypto exchanges. However, after using it for 7 days straight, the shocking truth is that ZebPay is still one of the most efficient and user-friendly platforms for Indian crypto users, with a few surprises along the way. Setting it up took less than 5 minutes. The kick process was smooth, and once my account was verified, I could start trading right away. The interface was clean and minimal, which made it perfect for both beginners and experienced traders. One thing that caught my attention was ZebPay's focus on security. The app uses multi-signature technology, cold storage, and strict verification for withdrawals. During my testing week, I noticed that every transaction required a one-time password, making it almost impossible for anyone to move funds without my consent. Trading fees were surprisingly low, just 0.15% per transaction, and I appreciated that ZebPay clearly displayed all costs upfront. No hidden charges, no confusing pop-ups. Depositing and withdrawing Indian rupees was quick through bank transfer, and UP both worked flawlessly. What most people get wrong is assuming ZebPay is outdated. But the app has evolved. It now supports staking for assets like Ethereum and Polygon, letting users earn passive rewards. There's even a simple earn program that shows your daily returns right in the dashboard. By day 7, the shocking truth became clear. ZebPay isn't trying to compete with flashy global exchanges, it's quietly perfecting reliability. It's built for users who want simplicity, transparency, and strong security. If you're in India and want a no-nonsense crypto experience that just works, ZebPay might surprise you as much as it did me.